Hello everyone, എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷങ്ങൾ? This is Dr. Daphne, your family dentist, and today I will be sharing a few tips on how you can prevent damage to your teeth while consuming soda or cold drinks. I am often asked by youngsters in my practice, Doctor, how much soda can I safely drink without damaging my teeth? And my answer is none. Even the smallest bottle of soda comes with 60 grams of sugar. You are allowed only 30 grams of sugar as an adult. So this excess of sugar, which is nothing but empty calories, not only damages your health, there is a direct link of excessive sugar with obesity, diabetes mellitus and cardiovascular disease. But the link of consuming soda with tooth decay is not much discussed or not much talked about. So how does soda damage your teeth? Every time you take a sip of soda, you are providing your mouth with an influx of sugar. Now the bacteria inside your mouth is very much happy when so much sugar gets bombarded inside the mouth. It consumes this sugar and creates an acidic product which is very damaging to the enamel. Along with this damage, the initial acidic content of the soda or the cold drink further causes damage to the teeth structure. So any person who is consuming soda on the long run shows increased incidence of chemical erosion of the tooth structure and increased incidence of caries. Most patients have yellowish teeth and pitted appearances on the surface of the enamel. So now I will go to a few tips which we can follow to minimize the damage. Before I tell these tips, I would like to highlight that I would not recommend anyone to consume these drinks. So if you want to consume these drinks, consume them in moderation. By moderation I would mean not more than 1 bottle per day, and please buy the smallest bottle possible and finish off your drink as quickly as possible. The more time you spend with the drink, the more acid you are subjecting your mouth to. Each sip you take subjects your mouth to an acidic attack for around 20 minutes, and this effect is compounded by every additional sip you take. So finish off your drink fast. Finishing fast does not mean use it as an excuse to buy another drink. Just have that one drink. If you are giving the drink to kids, give them in a cup, in an ordinary cup. Avoid giving them in sippy bottles or other bottles which you keep which they can keep for longer durations in the mouth. The next thing you can do is to use a straw. Drinking with a straw minimizes the contact of the acidic substance or the acidic cola into your mouth. It does not actually work much because the posterior teeth anyways comes in contact with the cola, but at least the front teeth are protected to an extent. Also staining to the teeth is slightly reduced if you use a straw. Next thing is you can rinse your mouth as soon as possible, almost immediately. It will to an extent help you neutralize the acid content of the mouth. Contrary to popular belief, it is not recommended to brush immediately following consumption of soda. Avoid brushing your teeth for 30 minutes or at least 1 hour after consuming soda. Soda makes your teeth soft, the enamel very soft. So when you are brushing immediately, it is actually you are scrubbing away the healthy enamel which is already softened. So refrain from brushing immediately. Refrain from consuming soda close to your bedtime. I have already told in an earlier video also that when you are sleeping, the saliva content in your mouth is reduced. So you should refrain from consuming soda closer to bedtime because the acid attack is much more. And lastly, it is very important if you are a regular soda drinker to at least visit your dentist every 3 months. The dentist will look into your mouth and they will advise you what is required based on the condition of your teeth. In some cases you might just escape, if you are lucky, escape with use of a fluoridated toothpaste, or they might recommend some fluoride application. Otherwise, if there is pitting or cavity formation in the tooth, you can get it restored immediately. Always know that you are the CEO of your health and your body. You get to decide what you want. So choose for a better health. choose for your oral health. Your oral health is actually a reflection of your overall health. So please keep that in mind, and for our support and help, I will be sharing my contact number and also our clinic address in the comment sections. Thank you everyone.